Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session on mastering. mm, 1 minute, let me just check whether I have shared my screen. 1 minute, just please give me a minute. Uh, so, I hope you all can see the screen. Yeah, so today we are in the session on mastering Microsoft Azure Vision, AI Vision from creation to consumption. I hope you all are very eager to stay tuned. So before that, just let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Gomati, and I'm a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional and a Microsoft Certified Trainer with nearly 13 years of experience in teaching a wide range of subjects, including Power BI, Power Apps, Business Central, Azure, and Tableau, Google Data Studio, data analytics, data science, machine learning, big data, and ETL tools. So I am also Microsoft Learn expert with a doctorate in machine learning, and I'm proud to be recognized in the Asia and India Book of Records. And I have had the opportunity to speak globally on various technologies and topics. In addition to being a published author, I also hold national and international patents as well. So, my latest book is on mastering Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, a comprehensive guide to successful implementation. Has been well received, and I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge and helping others as well. So, today's agenda, let us understand what we are planning, what I have planned today. Like today we are going to the deep dive into the world of Azure Vision, and this particular session is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of Azure AI. That is, I'll be showing you, like, we'll be starting with an overview of Azure AI Vision, exploring a core capabilities and how it fits the broader Azure ecosystem. And we will see the apply skills, like what is Microsoft applied skills. We will discuss the importance of applied skills in AI Vision, and I'll be showing you like what are the key subscriptions, like if you want to use Azure AI Vision, like what are the subscriptions you have to look into. And that is the Microsoft Build Challenge. Okay, so now I hope most of you might have known that Microsoft Build is happening in Seattle, and it's 21 to 23. So that is, Microsoft has released a Build Challenge, so I'll guide you through the registration process of Microsoft Azure AI Build Challenge, highlighting the benefits of participation. And finally, so we have an interactive quiz. So I will be excited, like to like after the session you can attend the quiz, and I will be excited to announce that I am giving 50 percentage exam vouchers on behalf of Microsoft. So Microsoft Learn Expert. So there are few terms and conditions. I'll also tell you that. So 5 actively participating and engaging participants will be receiving that particular 50 percentage of voucher. So, and then we'll have a Q&A session as well. Okay. So let us start with what is Azure AI Vision. Okay. So, Azure AI Vision is a comprehensive set of AI services and tools provided by Microsoft Azure that enables developers to build intelligent applications capable of understanding and interpreting visual content. So, as a human, we'll be using our eyes to see the data, so to capture the image, and we'll be processing those image or video through our brain. Likewise, how mission will capture the image. So mission uses camera to capture the image, and it will process it using the algorithm. Okay, so this is how, whether it's a recognized object, detecting anomalies. For example, if we see any object, we can find what is the problem with that object. Like for example, if we are seeing a part of might be a hardware. So we will probably know that, okay, the hardware is good or bad, like it has any damages. Likewise, a machine can also understand, so it will extract information from images and videos. Azure AI Vision makes it possible to add powerful visual intelligence to our application. So let us imagine, like, you have a retail store and want to enhance the shopping experience. Using Azure AI Vision, you can implement a system that analyzes consumer behavior through CCTV footage, identifying popular areas in the store, and optimizing the product placement based on these insights. So, this can lead to increased sales and better customer satisfaction. Yes. So, this is how Azure AI Vision works. So in Azure AI Vision, we have few capabilities of Azure, like what it can do. Okay, I have Azure Computer Vision in Azure. So what it can do? It can do these four things, like OCR. So as we all know, OCR is optical character recognition, which enables the extraction of text from the images and documents, converting it into the editable and searchable data. So bank can use OCR to automate the processing of handwritten checks, significantly reducing the time and effort required for the manual data entry. So this is for OCR. Then we have image analysis. Okay, so the feature allows us to categorize images into a predefined classes. It's useful for organizing large data set or automating process based on image content. For example, in a healthcare, image classification can be used to sort a medical images like X-rays, MRIs into different categories for a quicker diagnosis and treatment planning. And next to talk about is what the face. Okay, so we have the face option as well. So Azure AI Vision can recognize and analyze human faces, identifying individuals and analyzing facial attributes. So smart home system, for example, we can set up a smart home system, so face recognition can be used to secure access control, allowing only recognized individuals to enter the premises. And finally, we have video analysis as well. Like AI Vision can detect and identify objects within the images and the videos. As I told, like we can use image analysis to analyze the object and video to analyze the videos. So this capability is essential for the applications like security, surveillance, where you need to identify specific objects or individuals in a real time. So in a factory setting, like you imagine like a factory setting, Azure AI Vision can monitor product lines to detect defects in the product. Okay, like it can find it, and if a defective item is identified, the system can trigger an alert for immediate action, ensuring the quality control. So apart from this, we can also create a custom vision. So there are two types of like all these things, we have two types. One is what, like a pre-built model. For all these features, Microsoft has already given us some predefined models, which means that we have to just take and use it. Okay, so we have other thing as well. Okay, we have the predefined model, but if I have a different scenario which doesn't belongs to these which doesn't come under these predefined models, then what you can do, you can simply go ahead with the custom model. You can do the custom models. Sometimes, like for few options there is no custom models yet, but Microsoft will be releasing the upgrades often, so you can definitely see that. Okay, so these are all the OCR. So here you can find that this is OCR, where the optical, like here you can see this is a notepad, a sticky note where something is written there, and here you can see that this is a facts, like it is easily finding out what are all the content in this particular form. So this is Azure AI. This is the Azure AI screen. So here you can see, once if you enter portal.azure.com, you can see this particular thing. Okay, so portal.azure.com. If you haven't created your account yet, please go and create it. So Microsoft is giving us $200 free credit to use that. So you can simply log in, you can simply create your, if you have your Outlook Microsoft account, then you can create your Azure page. So here, once if you type portal.azure.com, you can you can see this page. Okay, and here you have to create a resource group. Okay, and I'm just showing you like what are all the Azure AI Vision computer vision features which are there for which are there in Azure AI Vision. Okay, so that is Azure AI Vision is a part of a service. Okay, so here you can find that this is a optical character recognition. Okay, and this is a spatial analysis, this is a face, and this is image analysis. Okay, so optical character recognition, you can see you can extract the images from the it might be anything like a image or forms, anything, like you can just extract the data. Okay, so this is what I'm just showing it here. You can extract the data like this. I'll be giving you the demo for all these things, okay, once we have discussed here. Okay, and the next one is what the image analysis. So as I told, not only this, like here in the first one you can see it is creating a caption for the image. Apart from this, you have various options under image analysis as well, like it can detect the image objects, what are the objects in the image. Okay, it can auto write the captions, it can tag the images. So there are a lot of options. It can find what are the images which are blurred and everything. So it can generate the image captions as well. So these are all the various image like image analysis which it can do, like model customization, read the text from the images, detect people in images. So here you can see it is detecting the people from the image, like it is a person, a male or jeans, what he's wearing, and generate image caption, detect objects, tag a visual features, like it is tagging something, right? So it is tagging, you can tag the building, jeans, jacket, city. So few things which are already trained by Azure itself. Like you have a built-in model, okay, pre-built model, and apart from that, you will also have, you can do your own thing like a custom model as well. Okay, and smart crop. So all these things are under visual like image analysis. Then come to the face. So it will detect the exact face. Like as I told, you can go ahead with the smart home. Okay, like if you want to go if you want to secure your home with your, like if you are entering into the if you are entering, then your image will be first, your face will be first recognized, and based on the security you will be getting in. Like this is how the face works. And you can see video analysis. So these four are the key features of Azure computer vision. Okay, so here you can see how many persons are entering. This is actually a video, so it will capture the live video, and once the person how many people are entering into the video, like entering into the shop. Okay, entering into the shop, they will be like they will be getting notified. So this is how Azure AI Vision actually works. Okay, so there are various scenarios. If you wanted to talk about the scenarios, like a large retail chain, if they wants to improve the customer shopping experience by leveraging AI technology, they can use Azure AI Vision. Okay, so they can analyze CCTV footage, they can understand which areas of the store attract the most customers and which products are frequently picked up but not purchased. So this data helps in optimizing store layouts and the product placement. And other type is what automated inventory management. Like Azure AI Vision can monitor shelves to ensure products are always in stock. When an item is running low, the system can automatically alert the staff to restock it, ensuring that the customers always find what they needed. And enhanced security, we can, the store use face recognition to identify known shoplifters, alerting the security personnel in a real time to prevent the theft. So these applications not only enhance the customer experience but also improve operational efficiency and security. Azure AI Vision offers a wide range of features that can be applied to various industries and use cases. Its capability in object detection, image analysis, OCR, face analysis, and custom vision enable business to harness the power of AI to solve real world problem effectively. So I just walk you through all these features. Okay, so this is optical character recognition, and this is a spatial analysis. You can see here this is a spatial analysis. analysis. So under spatial analysis, you have all these things like video retrieval and summary. Okay, it will generate a brief summary of the main points shown in the video. So here you can see it is showing that some liquid is spoiled in this particular location, and you can count the people in the area, and you can detect when people cross the line, detect when the people enter the exit zone, and monitor the social distancing. Okay, and the next one is the face. You can detect your faces in an image. And finally, the image analysis. So let us just go ahead with the optical character recognition. So extract text from the image. So here you can see you have few options available. So already these are all called as I told, these are all the pre-built model. Okay, so it's already built. You just wanted to use it. So I'm just trying to click this card, credit card. Okay, so you can see that the credit card is available here. Okay, so once if you click on this credit card, it is trying to fetch the data here. Okay, 1 minute, let me just try out. Mm, okay, 1 minute. So it's loading. Just please stay with me. I'm just checking like why it's showing some bad request. I'm just checking whether it is working fine. Let us try to use this. So we have to select the correct exact resource, and let me just figure out like what is going wrong. Just give me a second. So this is, sometimes this may happen. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I'm just selecting the data. So sometimes it's showing some error. 1 minute, just give me a second. Okay, let us try extract image. Vision, try demo. I'll just try. Might be. Yes, it has loaded. So here you can see that this is a credit card. I have selected the credit card. So it has detected the data from the credit card here. So you can see on the right side, these are all the extracted text from the image. Okay, so this is the credit card. And if usually, in your credit card, you'll be having the bank name. Okay, so the bank name will be available here, that will be extracted, and your number, and valid till, valid through. Usually this is a sample they have shown. Okay, and this is the another type of image which you can use. So I'm just trying to access this. This is a national identity card. So once if you click on this national identity card, it is trying to fetch the extract the data from the national identity card here. Okay, so it will easily fetch the name of the person. Okay, this is national identity card, what it is fetching. And this is the biometrics. Okay, so what biometric it has, like, and it is mentioning that you have a biometric. Okay, it is not fetching any other images, only the text. So, and everything like a hair, what is the color of the hair, height, weight, born, everything. Okay, this is example of OCR. Okay, OCR, and that is extracting the data. And And if you go ahead with a video retrieval, like you can just retrieve the specific data. So these are all the pre-trained model. Okay, so you can use the retail data here. So this is the retail showroom, like it is something is happening, like the video which is already uploaded. Okay, so you can see the video is uploading, and you can search for a specific query here. Okay, they have a query: cleaning the floor, person with a pink jacket, women falling, milk on the floor. Okay, so if you want to see the milk on the floor, just to click on milk on the floor, you can see that there is a milk on the floor exactly at 4 minutes 37 seconds. So it has even detected the time frame, like when it is happening. Okay, so completely it will fetch the data, and it will also give you the complete like you can search for that. Okay, because this is pre-built, you can these data which are already there. If you want to create your own custom query, you can also create the custom query like milk. I mean, it's just searching for the milk, and if I search that, it is trying to locate milk here. Okay, so you have milk. So of course, everywhere it is showing milk, so that is why it might have confused. I'm just trying to, even flour is also there. Okay, so these are the data which you can, even if you want to get the most out of your video, you can also find it from here. This is what the Vision Studio. So this is how the video and frame, you can even upload your data. Okay, so here you have an option to browse your file. Okay, so in the upcoming session, probably we can plan, if you want even lot of sessions, even more sessions from here, you can just comment it. We will have a lot of sessions based on every single features in the Azure AI Vision. Likewise, we have face. Okay, you can detect the face and image analysis as well here. So, yes, now let us talk about the subscription and access. So, Azure Vision subscription. So, you can just check for computer vision subscriptions. Okay, Azure Computer Vision pricing. So, here you can see that how the computer vision pricing will be. So every services has its own prices. It has its own so based on this particular thing, you can see. Okay, so it is, you have to first select the proper region. So from which region, for which region you wanted to access this, and what currency you wanted to pay that. Okay, so you have to select like to leverage the powerful capabilities of Azure AI Vision, you need to understand the subscription option and access methods. Like Azure Cognitive Services, including Computer Vision, offer a range of pricing tiers to cater to the different needs and usage pattern. So, first one is the free tier. You can see here, this is the free tier. Okay, so the free trial is what ideal for experimenting and learning. The free tier provides a limited number of transactions per month and no cost. This is a perfect for developers who wants to explore the capabilities of Azure AI Vision without incurring any charges. So what is the usage limit? It is up to 5000 transactions per month. Okay, and 20 transactions per minute. Other than that, you have a standard tier. The standard tier is designing for the production workload, offering a higher limits and more robust performance. So here you can see, this is group 1, which has which has these features. You can utilize it, and also you can see it's a dollar 1 per thousand transactions for the standard operation, to $5 per thousand transactions for more advanced features such as image analysis and OCR. So here you can access to all computer vision capabilities, including object detection, image classification, and OCR as well. So the simple thing is, you have, other than that, if you wanted to use it as a bulk. Okay, so you can also see here, this is image analysis, model customization, image analysis, product recognition. So for each and every feature, you have a specific pricing as well. And if you want to know more about it, if you feel like, no, what I am thinking and what my need is what not listed here, then you can talk to the sales specialist here. Okay, so this is all about the subscription and access. So the next comes about the applied skill. So even in between, if you have any queries, no, you can just ask the query, you can type it. Okay. um so I will definitely answer your queries here by the end. Just please add your queries in in the comment section. I will definitely look into it and answer the questions. So the applied skills here is what applied skills by Microsoft. So applied skills ensure that you can move beyond just understanding the concepts to actually implementing them. This transition from theory to practice is crucial for success in any technical field. So for example, I'm just going to show you the applied skills which is specifically for computer vision. Okay, so here you can see this is built on Azure AI Vision solution. I'm just posting this particular link in the comment. Okay, you can just see that. You can find it. I'll post it. 1 minute, I'm just posting it. You can see here. So this is the link for that. So I could see some questions. So definitely I will answer the question. Please give me some time. I'll complete this. So building an Azure AI Vision. So this is a applied skill. Okay. So for specifically for computer vision. So what you can see, it's an intermediate level, but of course in Microsoft applied skills, they have given you the detailed steps. Okay, they have given some modules for you to understand, and after completing the module, you have to start your you have to write, you have to do the applied skills. So how it works, just you have to complete these modules. Okay, the first module, which is of 50 minutes, second module is of 40 minutes, third module is for 1 hour 8 minutes, fourth module 33 minutes, and the fifth module is 48 minutes. Once you have completed all these things, this is a module, and for each module you have specific units as well. Okay, so here you can see you have 7 units in this particular module, the first module. Likewise, you have various modules like 5 modules. Okay, and you have to complete all these modules. Once you have completed, so here you can see all these things, and you have exercises for each module. You can just do the exercises. Once you have completed all these modules, then you can take your assessment. Your assessment will be for 2 hours. This is not a paid certification. This is a free applied skills to evaluate whether you really understand the concept or not. Okay, so once you have completed, okay, you can just start this. As of now, it's under maintenance, undergoing some maintenance. So after that, you can just start it. Meanwhile, you can complete all these modules. Okay, so why you need applied skills? So practical experience, if you want a practical experience with AI vision tools and techniques, helps you develop the ability to tackle complex problems, design effective solutions, and optimize performance in a real world scenario. This will increase your employability and career growth, and you can stay competitive in a fast evolving field as well. So this is why you have to do the Microsoft applied skill. So if you have any queries, you can also ask related to the applied queries as well. Please don't hesitate to ask me the questions. So this is regarding applied skills in Azure AI. So this is what build an Azure AI Vision solution. And you have like Microsoft Build has released a Microsoft Build challenge here. Okay, so this is what the link for the Microsoft Build challenge. I'm also posting the link here. Okay, so you can see the link for the Microsoft Build challenge. So what is that Microsoft Learn challenge? For build edition. Okay, so here you can see they have given you the challenge for which falls under these 5 categories. Okay, so the one is Azure AI, second one is Microsoft Fabric, third is GitHub Copilot, and the fourth one is Copilot for Microsoft 365 business, sorry, Microsoft 365, and finally Microsoft Copilot Studio. So I'm going to talk about Azure AI. The same step you have to apply for everything. Okay, so once if you click on my Azure AI, you have to click register. Okay, you can see here, once you have registered, it will take you to the like the registered space. So you can find the official rule, just click register, it will take you to the next step. Already I have registered, so anyhow it will show you the thing. You can just try now registering for that. If you are facing any issues, you can immediately let me know. Okay, just click register now. If you want to go with the Microsoft Fabric or GitHub Copilot, whatever, like you can register here. The thing is what, you can prove your skills while you are learning. Okay, so Azure AI, if you want to do Azure AI, you can complete this and you can earn a digital badge. Okay, why should I earn a digital badge? What it will help me, in what aspects it will help me? So Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge, specifically for Microsoft Build Edition, is an engaging opportunity for the learners to enhance their cloud skills and earn recognition for their efforts. Participants can choose from various challenges, as I told. So once you complete, you will be receiving a badge. Okay, that you can add it in. If you are a student, you can add it in your resume. Okay, so this is how Microsoft Build Challenge will help you out. So how to register for the challenge, I have shared this link with you. Just click that and select which one you want to go with. Just click register now. You can see the registration happen. So it will ask you to comply on some policies, like you have to accept the agreement, and then you can just proceed. You can start learning. There will be a list of modules you have to learn. You can learn that as well. Okay, and this is all about Microsoft AI Microsoft Build Challenge. Okay, so you have to just check this. So it's time for the interactive quiz here. Okay, so let us start. So this is the QR code for the quiz. Okay, so why should you just see, if you want to do this, just scan the QR code and join the quiz. There will be 5 questions. You have to answer the question. All these questions will be from whatever I have shown it. Okay, like what is computer vision, likewise. So whatever I have discussed, it will be like that. So I encourage everyone to participate in this fun and engaging quiz. It's a great way to test your knowledge and apply what you have learned during the session. So after completing the quiz, the top 5 scorers will be identified, and I'll be sending you an email notification of those participants with further instruction. The winners will be invited to join a special learning room where they can deep dive into the topics covered and get additional resources. So you can contact me after joining the learning room, and I'll be sending you the 50% discount vouchers. I'll be sharing the 50% discount vouchers for those who have completed this quiz. Okay, so please scan this, and I can give you 5 minutes of time. So now its time is 9 2 p.m. I will just scan it, complete your quiz, and then I will talk to you after at 9 7, exactly at 9 7. So if you have done, just give me a thumbs up in the comment section so I can understand like you have completed. If you're at doing so, I can wait for 2 more minutes. Just scan it. You can see the quiz. So 1 more minute, you can do it, and just let me know once you have completed. Yes, so if you haven't completed it, so please try to do this after the session, and this will be valid for 1 more days. You can scan and send me. So this is the final one. You have earned it, like you have attended. You have Thank you for joining me today, and you can gain a new skill through the build challenge as well. You can scan it now. You can scan this QR code, and you can sign into your Microsoft Learn profile. You will be having the redemption code, okay, that will be prompted. Then you can get the new badge, which you can share it in your social media platform. So this is a new badge, you have earned it. So please scan this code and get it. And now it's time for the questions. So if you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. I'm just looking into the comment section. I think already one has shared a question. The amazing channel. Will there be a session for document intelligence? Yes, actually, I'm planning for a um, continuous video series on all these Azure AI services, like starting from machine learning, everything. Okay, like a computer vision, document intelligence, everything. I'm just planning. If you have any other specific topics to discuss, and for example, if you might not have come across any specific topics related to Microsoft AI, Azure AI Studio, or Azure AI services specifically in YouTube or something. So please let me know so that I can help you. I can create I can share a session on that. Like I'll be organizing a session on that. So I'm planning for a weekly session on Azure AI services. So if you have any idea, please also let me know that. Is anybody having any other queries? Please post it. Okay, even after this, if you come across any questions, you can even comment it in the section. So comment, just leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. And as I told, I'm planning for weekly videos on Azure AI services right from the next week. And if you have any specific questions or any specific topic you wish to discuss, I can definitely do that. So thank you all for seeing this and watching this with me. So please go and explore Azure AI Vision, and this will definitely useful for you. And please join my learning room. Okay, just if you I'm just leaving this as well, so you can see that we have a community for that, where the learners can really learn a lot from this community. Okay, so here if you just click, you can see here AI and enterprise business application. This is what our learning room name is. So once if you click on this, you can see that this is a form you have to submit. Okay, they'll be asking you a few questions. You have to submit your form where they'll be asking you which learning room you have to join. Please select this AI and enterprise business application, Dynamics Power Platform, and AI Copilots. So you can enter this and join our learning room, where we'll be exploring, we'll be discussing a lot of videos related to that. So I wish to see you all soon in my learning room. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting session. Bye.